We'll guide you through how to make pop-up text in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you already have VSDC Video Editor installed and ready to use on your device. Double-click the application to open it. You can choose Import Content if you want to use a custom background in your project. For this example, click Blank Project to use a solid background instead. Adjust the project title, for example, How to Make Pop-Up Text in VSDC. Choose a background color, for example, green. Click the Finish button to create the project. Next, click the Add Object menu in the upper left corner. Select the text option, then choose Text again. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button. Create a text box with the desired size and position it appropriately within the scene. Type pop-up text as an example to demonstrate the effect. Change the font to a thicker style so the animation is easier to see. Then set the paragraph alignment to the center of the text box for a balanced appearance. Adjust the text size to make it larger and more noticeable on the screen. Double-click the text object on the timeline to access the object editing area. Next, click the Video Effects menu to add an animation effect. Choose the Transform option, then select Zoom from the available effects. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button. Click the Constant Parameter Value field for levels, then change it to 0:100. Click the three dots icon, then open the Levels panel to edit the animation values. Create a new keyframe at the 2-second mark, although you can adjust the duration as needed. Then change the percentage value to 125%. Add a second keyframe at the 3-second mark. Then change the percentage value to 95%. Add another keyframe at the 4-second mark. Then change the percentage value to 100%. Move the timeline cursor back to the beginning. Then click the play button to view the final result.